What?
Watch your hand here. Watch your hand.
I'm just gonna tell you honestly, that exact same GoPro mount, I've seen 2 of them get lost this week.
Okay.
Tight eye on that.
Yeah.
You're going to? All right, hon. Thank you for coming out today.
Don't let me wait. You Catholic girl starting much too late.
Hold that green button down. No gas. It's okay.
the koi fish. Those are big ass fish. I love this shirt.
Oh, you're born in China.
There we go. Thank you.
$5.
$5.
I have no mailbox.
Oh wow.
You can ask anybody in Korea. I'm a homeless. I have no home. Hello. Hello. How are you today? Alright, welcome to Kobe. My name is Ichiban, okay? Anyone been here before? No. No? Yeah, okay. Anyone birthday today?
No.
Anniversary?
It's a family vacation.
Hungry?
Yes.
What? Give me that look. Okay. Okay, give me 1 minute. Check out it one more time, okay? Steak and shrimp. Steak and chicken. Will be clear with filet mignon. Steak and chicken. Chicken and steak. 10-ounce chicken. Filet and shrimp. Thank you, Mama. Okay. Time for rock and roll. $5. You owe me, Mama.
Now we're even.
You owe me 5.
Now we're even. You owe me 5.
Oh, wait for me outside. We love you long time. We love you long Don't try that at home, okay?
Okay.
When I move, you move just like that. Happy face. Hello, it's me you're looking for. I can see you. Right, baby. Right, baby.
Yeah.
Japanese ride from Uncle Ben. Come on, you know Uncle Ben?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you love Uncle Ben, right?
Oh yeah.
Got it? Okay. Mama, what is it?
An egg. Egg roll.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Egg roll, huh? Mama, what they call now?
Twins.
Twin? What they call?
Twins. An egg GT.
2 eggs. What they call?
Bowling.
Excellent. You owe me $5 anyway. You cannot take your money back. One more time, okay? I'll give you 1 cent. Hold on. Mama, what they call?
An egg pancake.
Welcome to IHOP. Bika, bika. Bika, bika. Okay. Okay. Bye bye, Bika. egg roll again. Where you guys from? Missouri.
Them three are from Missouri. That one, and that one from South Carolina.
Missouri, huh?
Missouri, yep.
Yeah. Right, baby. Are you all on vacation, huh?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. I love vacation.
Me too.
I love to go. To go a lot. Before. Japanese Coca-Cola.
That diet or regular?
Regular Coca-Cola.
I love Japanese Coca-Cola.
You love Japanese Coca-Cola?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the Coke Zero. Mama, I make this one for you.
Ah. Oh, he loves you. Somebody take a picture of that. Oh,
They love you long.
thank you, sweetie. Love you long time.
Love you long. Love you long.
Very good.
Hey, right, baby. Anything for you?
Hey, Jeff, better be $5.
Spaghetti, no meatball.
All right.
Japanese spaghetti, no meatball. I'm for you. I'm here for you. I'm here for you.
I love yum yum.
I'm here for you. I'm here for you. Hey, Mama, you ready?
We need to stay another day because we'll do for dinner. My family will Oh, here we go.
Don't try that at home, okay? Look at me, you know what happened. I have no eye now.
Mama. Thank you.
Anything for you.
$5.
No, only $5 for you.
No.
Only you, Mama.
It was a Coke.
Spaghetti.
Yes.
Mommy.
Mommy.
Japanese funny guy.
Not yet.
Japanese funny guy. Chicken. Butterfly.
That butter didn't fly.
I can fly. Oh, no deal, no deal. Chicken. Butterfly. Yeah. One more fire. One more fire. Chicken feel on fire. Chicken feel on fire. Look at me. My eyes are completely gone. Try that at 911. After 911, you go for 112. You know 411, right? There's only a couple days you're going to
Rice is amazing.
Coca-Cola. Lemonade. Don't worry.
I'm taking it home. I ain't getting
Everybody
anything.
happy. We're on vacation.
That's right.
Yeah. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Anything? Only for you, Mama.
Well, I'm trying to get you your $5 that I owe you, but nobody's coming up.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. I love you, Mom. I love you, Mom. Okay. How do you want your steak?
She would be okay with that.
Medium well's okay.
Don't worry, either way you want.
She likes it burnt.
I got it. I got it. Don't worry. Be happy.
I'm so happy.
Don't worry, be happy.
Probably so.
It's different than evil. Pretty neat.
Want me to put that in a box for you?
Honey, that's Goro, right?
Yes.
What, Goro 8?
At 9.
9? Oh, the new one?
Yeah.
Oh! I love one, but I cannot buy it. One day. You do a YouTube?
Yes.
Oh, what channel?
It's called Zoe Goes.
Okay, hold on. I need to write out and go look at. You put my video up there?
You gonna put his video up there? Yeah.
Okay, I write out and you go look at it. I will follow you, don't worry. Nothing like me.
Thank you.
You have one cup from me. I know.
Zoe's like, let me get my plate ready. You like teriyaki chicken?
Sweet word. I mean, chicken's good for you. Like that. Not like McDonald's.
Good?
Good. Thank you. Yeah.
You love my chicken.
Yep.
Yeah, chicken, very good. Japanese chicken. All the way from fish fillet.
5.
Give me extra fire. Mama, pay anything, huh?
Oh, look at that.
Honey, you want me to put the chicken in the box?
No, you can put it right here.
Yeah. Oh. You have here now, huh? You have chicken, you know that?
You eat that? No.
Yeah. Ooh, looks good. Yummy, yummy. Arigato.
Thank you.
Hi y'all, so this was day 7, the last day of our Florida trip. We went jet skiing, which was a lot of fun. I got to do my I didn't know you had to have a temporary boating certificate to go jet skiing. And this was also my first time jet skiing, so I had never done anything like that before. But it was a lot of fun. The water was very choppy. Some people were going like 70, like my cousins were going like 70 miles. I don't know how they did that, because I think the highest I went was 30, and it freaked me out because like I would start to hit a wave and then I would be like, oh, I'm gonna fall off. There are safety measures in the store. Like we wore life vests. You had a thing, if you guys saw the red wire, it's clipped to you. So if you went off the jet ski, your jet ski turned off, and all that. And there was other jet skis in the area. Like we all went as a group. But yeah, I was like, I'm not getting flipped off my jet ski. I went about 20 miles comfortably. But it was a lot of fun. I think I want to try to get with the water maybe being not as choppy. I think that was my issue, was the water was so choppy. But I would love to do it again. It was a great experience. So if you have any doubts about going jet skiing, please go. We did an hour. And that was plenty enough time for me. My dad actually got thrown off of his jet ski during it. He was going, I think he said 45. He hit a wave and he went over the handlebars. He went like sideways and he hit his knee, hit his head. I think he hit his shoulder. Lost his sunglasses. We think he lost his wedding ring. And the boat, because they tell you, the jet ski keeps going if you get thrown off. So he was like 25 feet away from his jet ski because it just kept going. So keep that in mind. But I don't want to scare anyone off of jet skiing. It was definitely a fun experience. And then after that, my cousin left he went to go get a tattoo. We kind of just hung around St. Pete's. Just kind of enjoying the area and everything like that. I caught a cool David Bowie hat. David Bowie hat that I don't have, so that's cool. I also got like a really cool poster, and I even got my fortune told by Elvis. So inside the shop we went, it's called like memorabilia or something like that. And inside the shop they have, those little like fortune tellers, you put the coins in, you put the money in, and it's an automatic fortune teller. It was Elvis. So that was interesting. I couldn't hear what he was saying before he gave me my fortune. He was saying something, but it was so loud and it wasn't clear. It was so loud in the store and it wasn't clear, so I don't know. But I had my fortune told by Elvis, so that was fun. And then after that, we kind of just went back to the house, got cleaned up, showered, everything like that, and we went to go see sunset at St. Pete's Beach. That's where those beautiful sunsets were taken. And I will tell you, St. Pete's Beach, for me, was better than Clearwater, just because, 1, the sand was not horrible to get on, and 2, it was a lot more wheelchair accessible friendly for my grandmother, where there was a wheelchair accessible, like, pathway. So on her little scooter, she could go about halfway from the parking lot to the beach, on her scooter. And, no issues, anything like that. There was, like, no sand in the wheels, and we didn't have to get a special wheelchair and all that. Was great. And I don't know, because we went during sunset. It might be normally very busy. But when we went, it wasn't really busy at all. So, and Clearwater was all busy. So, if you're going into St. Pete area instead of going to Clearwater, you might want to go to St. Pete's Beach. Unless there's definitely something you want to do in Clearwater. But there's an option there. And then after that, I don't know the restaurant's true name. We called it Kobe because that's what it looked like, Kobe, but I'm sure with the accent over the E, that's not how you say it, but we're going to call it Kobe. It was great for hibachi. Great hibachi. That food had some amazing flavor, and you guys got to see the video. That was with the head chef. He was great. Definitely recommend going. It was just, the restaurant was great, the staff was great, and the food was amazing. One of the best hibachi experiences I've ever had. So if you're in the St. Pete area, definitely go check them out. I think I have a thing where you could see the logo or something like that. Definitely look it up if you're in the area and you're interested. It's wonderful. I'm normally not a big hibachi person, but I got teriyaki chicken and it was great. The rice, the teriyaki chicken had some great flavor. Normally teriyaki chicken is okay. This had great flavor. The rice had great flavor, and they give you large portions. Like, we were eating, well, we took some of my cousins, because my cousins flew back home on a plane, so we took some of my cousin's stuff. We were eating hibachi for days. So they give you big, huge portions, and it's a great restaurant. Definitely check it out. But that was day 7. It was a great vacation all after. Didn't get to go on the Velocicoaster, but, that would just give us something to do. Had a great time, got some cool souvenirs, everything like that. Some memories. I don't get to see my cousins that much because they live in Missouri, and that's a 12-hour drive, I think. Might get to see them a little more. My cousin Brandon's thinking about moving down to Florida. We'll see. My Uncle Mike, I don't know if he's moving down to Florida or not. I don't remember. Might get to see him more, whatever. But, it was a great vacation overall. Lots of fun, lots of memories, everything like that. Hopefully soon I'll have some more new content for you guys just besides this. I plan to maybe next weekend, or if not next weekend, soon, going up to Charlotte to go to the Van Gogh exhibit. It's an immersive Van Gogh exhibit. I'm a big fan of Van Gogh, so. And they also have a Sistine Chapel exhibit, which looks beautiful. And in the Sistine Chapel, you can't take pictures, but they have these big, huge, blown-up pictures that you can, take that out of it. I will be bringing my GoPro because it's easy. It fits in my pocket, has a stabilizer in it. I might bring my other camera around, the one I took to the Mummy exhibit, just because I don't know. I might bring it, but I think I'm probably going to stick to the GoPro. That seems to be my strength, as you guys can see. It's just small, it's tiny, has a stabilizer built in, it has a screen both on the front and the back, and we'll see. And I don't have to, use the lens to zoom in and out and all that. So, we'll see. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.